Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We had decided 4th, we extended the last date for calling objections on 4th of March, and we have received so far 913 suggestions and modifications, in which North Goa has got 650. The balance, how many? 263 are from South Goa. These complaints are basically on the basis of the serial number of wards have been changed, and mostly on the duplication of their households numbers, because that means their household number is reflecting in two different wards. They wanted it to be in the same ward. So this we have instructed to the Mamladars to physically verify and take an action based on the natural boundaries and geographical contiguity and the nearness to the booth. The second major complaint has come from the serial numbers. This we had checked up while we have carried a review on 4th evening itself. We have taken a review with all the EROs and AEROs. And except for one or two Panchayat in North and one or two Panchayat in Goa where serial numbers are changed, there were some complaints about the numbers. There is an apprehension in the public that these serial numbers are changed with a motive to carry out the reservation. So it is not the case. This is, in some cases, the serial numbers are haphazardly kept, and we had made the serial number serial wise in the wards. And second reason for the serial number changes are where two small wards are matched together and made into one ward. So if 2-3 wards, the serial number 2 and serial number 3 wards are having 150, 150. They have both merged and made into 3, and therefore the serial number changes. In which, as about the reservation part of it, while we considering the reservation of wards, we take the old ward number and the nature of reservation, either women or OBC, SC, ST, and finalize the reservation accordingly. The third major complaint which had come is natural boundaries. Natural boundaries, the actual their voter, your household or voting list are being not geographically compatible and not near to the booth. All these are corrected now, and we have taken a view, and mostly the hearing is going on up to 11th also. Somebody kept on 12th also. So by 14th I will be getting these proposals, the final draft proposal made by the Mamlatars, EROs and AEROs. After receipt of these proposals by us, we scrutinize ourselves and see if there is any discrepancies or any modifications required, carry out the same and send it to the government on 17th. We give them 2 weeks time to give their comments, and after receipt of them we gave 31st March as the final date, 31st March as the final date to send their comments to us. Yeah, I think it is 4th April, sorry. 4th April we gave the time, up to 4th April we gave the time. After receipt of the comments from them, we finalize, and on or before 11th April, we will be publishing the final delimitation. Today in the morning session, we had had a discussion with Secretary Panchayat and Director of Panchayat, and requested them to coordinate with us and giving the comments to us, and also we requested them to send the ward-wise OBC, SC, ST population data. They had forwarded only the data village-wise, up to village, the OBC and SC, ST data. Now, based on the draft delimitation which we sent to them, they have to carry out a data survey and give us the data ward-wise. Based on the receipt of the ward-wise data, we will be determining the reservation part of it, which we will complete and send it to them we will forward the reservation of government consultation on or before 12th April. 4th we are finalizing receipt and we are publishing the delimitation, and 12th we will be sending them the reservation part of it. And on 22nd they will return. We will give again 2 weeks time to government for comments on the reservation part, which we will finally publish. And by May ending we wanted to conduct the elections, keeping in view of the monsoon, onset of the monsoon and the reopening of the schools.
So any tentative dates in May?
May ending we will do it.
May ending.
Date will be determined and intimated to the government for publication.